Page 128, Funiculí, Funiculá. 6/8 time, of course, because that's what we're studying. They give some temples up there. Remember the natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, you feel it in 2? Okay. Well, let's see what we got. We look it over. It's a couple pages long, sort of. The clef signs are treble and bass clef. There's no sharps or flats in the key signature, so this is either in the key of C major or A minor, because those are the keys with no sharps or flats. If we look at the end, we're here. I'm guessing that's a C chord, so we're in C major. But do the scales for both, C major and A minor, and go ahead and do the arpeggios, C major and A minor, at least 1 octave up and down. Do the tremolo exercise in the arpeggios. That's what really is important. With the accents and the wrists and the whole bit, it will do you the most good on the arpeggios. It's like the trill exercise for the scales will do you the most good if you'll do the accents and all. Yeah. So let's take it one hand at a time. We have a pickup measure here, so we're coming in on beat 4. 4, 5, 6. That means the first 3 beats should be someplace else, and they're usually at the end. But if you look at the end, you see it's got 6 counts in it. So in my opinion, that's an error, because every measure's got to have 6 counts in it. There's no exceptions to that, as far as I know. So you just need 3 more beats someplace. I don't care. Doesn't matter how we play it. We're still going to come in on beat 4. 4, 5, 6, 1, and then that's tied. So you're going to hold that down for 8 counts and then go on. Next measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. Bring the thumb down. 1, 2, and then change. We're changed on that rest. 1, 2, 3. This is measure 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. That's pretty much it. Now, I'm going to go over to measure 19. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2. And this fun. Okay, so much for that. That's pretty much the piece. Left hand's got the chords on the natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. In this, in measure 5, you get the 5/7 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. You want to be where you can play this without looking at the keyboard too, especially the left hand. You can do this. You know where these notes are. You can feel it. Let's go over to measure, 24. You're 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. During the rest, you come up here. 4 and 2. It's a G sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3. And with that again. That's all. Try and connect them. I mean, you could, if you wanted to, in measure 27, you could do a 5/3 if you wanted to. I mean, nothing wrong with that. That way you can connect them all. However, you can do that too, and your thumb just comes out. Try and connect the bottom note. Even though I got to lift the thumb up, I'm going to connect the bottom note. There. It's good practice. Here. And then come down. This is measure 31 here. 4 chord and 1 chord. All right, put the hands together. Let's see what we get. 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 2. Now make sure you lift up in 1 beat in the left hand. Don't make these quarter notes. No. They're 8th notes. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. When you get to measure 19, it's a little smoother here. 2, 2, 3. Connect the left hand. 4, 5, 6. So I'm connecting this left hand all the way through here if I can. At the end, the last 2 measures, staccato accent, just boom. The accent's just a little louder from where you were. Speaking of loudness, the dynamics, MF at the beginning is mezzo forte, but that's the melody. Whatever you think moderately loud is. These chords need to be soft. 4, you got a staccato accent. There's an accent. Measure what? 19, you're loud. Well, measure 18, you go soft, loud. Right hand. Just very heavy. Very heavy in the right hand and light in the left. And measure 26. All of a sudden, I'm soft. 4 measures, what? 26, 27, 20, 29. You have all these E's. I don't like using the same finger on those. I'm just going to go. I'm just 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, or 1, 3, 1, 3. It doesn't matter. Just not the same finger. I recommend that you use the thumb for the quarter notes and some other finger for the eighth notes. And measure 25 here, and then reach down, use third finger for measure 26, and then I can do a 2. It's part of the arpeggio. And now I can do a 2-1. So. Here. That's what I recommend. You don't get so tense playing the same note. Louder there toward the you get heavy, so there. And the fermata, you just hold that all the way down and then go on. Moderately loud in the right hand. And at the end, it's the right hand we want to hear. Going up loud. And then the last chord is both hands. There's no melody, it's just a chord. Get into it and feel it. Because you can do more with these dynamics than what they're showing. You can get little swells in places. Some arrangements of this, like a measures 4 going on. Some measures would echo that there. They would echo that because you got, and again, they would echo that. That'd make it soft. This one doesn't do that, but it's interpretation. How do you feel it? As far as the speed goes, again, the metronome they're giving you is to the natural accents, and they say in 2. We want to feel it in 2. 1, 2. You're playing on the left hand, 1, 2. But it has to be accurate, so don't go faster than that. However fast you can play it, it doesn't have to be one set speed. You find what is comfortable for you. For me, it depends on how much coffee or wine I've had to drink, and I'm going to play it. Now they've added pedal in certain parts, and it's okay here. We're using it to help connect things and to give us the overtones. It's for contrast, because at the beginning it's bouncy. Here, but when I get to measure 19, now it's going to be connected. Here, and then I measure 29. They want the overtones here. You're slowing down and you're getting louder. It's for effect. You want the overtones and all that because you're going to hang on to that dotted half note with the fermata. Hang on to that for whatever feels right. If I do it with a metronome, I would double it and hold it for 12 counts instead of 6. So that'll be fun. And then you go on. Yeah. So measure 19 where they've got it. I'm going to push the pedal down right at the notes, and I want to hear the rest in the right hand. So I'm going to lift the pedal with the right hand. I want to hear that. That's important to me, so I'm going to lift the pedal up. The only reason we're using pedal then is for the overtones. It's contrast to what we had before. I don't know about this on measure 29 and suddenly adding pedal. It seems like it would be better if we started adding pedal around measure 27. So all of that is the same feeling. rather than saving it for the end. So in my opinion, you can start pedaling at measure 27 and just overlap it for each measure. Here, measure 27, change, and then lift the pedal with the hands so there's silence before you go on. That's my impression of the pedaling. There's one thing at the end there, the last measure. If you want, you can put pedal down for that last chord. The pedal goes down with the hands and up with the hands. It's a staccato pedal. It's just adds overtones just for a second, but it's a difference. You can hear it. Please don't copy me. You don't have to take it at that speed. You can do more with the dynamics. Experiment with it. Have some fun with it. Let's play it together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 3 counts because we're coming on beat 4. And we're going to go slow. I'm not going to do louds and softs. I'll go ahead and do the pedaling like I suggested so you can see it again. We're just checking notes and rhythms. That's all this is for. Put your foot on the pedal at the beginning now. If you're going to use it at all, you put your foot on the pedal through the whole piece. Don't be putting the foot on the pedal and taking it off. That's bad technique. Just leave it there if you're going to use it. If you're not going to use it, then you don't need your foot on the pedal there. Now I put the metronome on dotted quarter notes, so it's beating the natural accents here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Make sure you can play it that fast or this won't work. 1, ready, go. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Five, six. 3. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. Go on. 2, 3, 6.